President of the Republic of Kenya, the Secretary General of KOTU and the entire leadership of KOTU, the Federation of Kenya Employers, my colleagues, public officers here present, and most of all, our distinguished workers who have come to celebrate the 60th anniversary of their efforts to build this country and also to mark the Diamond Jubilee of our celebrations. Your Excellency, I will not say much, but I just want to flag two issues. The first one is that this month, the World Bank and the IMF released data that officially confirmed that out of the 55 nations on the African continent, Kenya's economy is the 6th largest in the entire Africa. Your Excellency, this is a very big achievement. And as we celebrate the 60th anniversary of our workers, we want to recognize that Kenya would not have attained that without the sweat of the workers of Kenya. So we want to commend the workers, the producers of goods and services in Kenya for having played a very significant role in assisting Kenya to become the 6th largest economy in Africa. The second point, Your Excellency, on the same issue, is to emphasize that that growth must also come out of stable political leadership. Your Excellency, this is where you come in. You have led this country. You have maintained its stability. We have maintained democratic practices, and you are resolved to ensure that the stability is unquestionable. When we talk of the 6th largest economy, it cannot happen in an environment of turmoil, in an environment of conflict, in an environment of war, in an environment of political instability. And my dear brothers and sisters, the biggest threat to any nation is not terrorism. It is when the institutions of that country collapse. The President has held our institutions. The labor movement as an institution must be firm and solid. The working must be firm and solid. And all political structures and administrative structures must be solid. That comes through good leadership. And your President, your Excellency President, you have been at the forefront in ensuring that we walk the straight and narrow path of ensuring that our institutions work. Kwa hivyo, ndugu na dada, kwa kifupi, nimesema tunawapongeza kwa sababu baadhi ya mataifa 55 ya bara la Afrika, uchumi wa Kenya sasa ni namba 6 katika bara la Afrika. Hatungefika kwa kiwango hicho bila jasho yenu kama wafanyikazi. Tunasema asante sana. Jambo la pili, hatuwezi kufika pale ikiwa hatuna uongozi thabiti. Kwa hivyo tunamshukuru Mheshimiwa Rais kwa kuhakikisha kwamba Kenya ina uongozi ambao ni wa kidemokrasia na thabiti. Mkiona watu wakizungumza, wakipiga kelele, wakifanya nini, hiyo ni demokrasia. Na wengine wanafikiri kwamba hiyo kelele inamaanisha kwamba Kenya imeharibika. La, jaribu kupiga hiyo kelele katika sehemu zingine. Hata marafiki zetu wengine wanashindwa kuandamana kwa mataifa yao, wanakuja kuandamana Nairobi, wakiandamana mambo yao. Kwa hivyo Kenya ni thabiti na sisi tutii sheria, na ni wajibu wangu sasa kuwaomba msimame ili tumkaribishe Mheshimiwa Rais aje ahutubie wafanyikazi wa taifa letu. Hebu tumkaribishe kwa makofi. 1, 2, 3. Asante sana.